Hello, my dear siblings. How have you been?
Hello, our dreamer. Do you need money to come back home? You thought you are better than us. Remember, Lucas, you will never succeed.
I will. Wow, even after so much time away from you, sending a phone to use and money for upkeep, you are still bitter.
Oh, please, did we ask for your help? We are happy the way we are. We don't need your charity.
Guys, I think we have been unfair to Paul Lucas. He's our big brother. Do you see him in the video call? He looks really good. Hekanda, I hate him!
Who cares? He chose to leave us behind. He can die. I hate him.
I think we're angry at a wrong person.
No, he abandoned us.
This is unbelievable. They hate me for leaving home and look for green pastures. I often send them money for their upkeep. Why would they hate me?
Goodbye, guys. Thank for a beautiful time together. Let's find our driver who turned out to be a brother to us.
Let's go.
How was your breakfast with your friends?
It was indeed beautiful, though it was short. We need to go back home and study.
Lucas, how far did you study?
I didn't go far. My parents couldn't afford to educate us.
Oh dear, that's really sad.